You been working out, my dude? My arms look big only because I'm rolling up my sleeves.
Subscribe.
Okay, first of all, don't worry about that, okay? Don't worry about that in the back. Right, I don't really live like that. Those are beach towels. But, yo, when it turns nighttime, I'll take this shit off. So you don't gotta see that, just in case some freaks come in here, they're like, damn, this nigga cooking in the bathroom. This cooking stream is gonna be broken down into 3 parts. First part is getting your mind right. You can't cook if your mind is not right. So we're gonna start off with a quad shot watermelon margarita. And I know a lot of y'all not old enough to drink. I'm not talking to you lame asses. First thing we gonna do, you need watermelon, fresh watermelon in here. So after you put the watermelon in the bottom, you wanna muddle it up. Crush it up a little bit. So you want to start making the margarita in the cup first, okay? After you got your muddled watermelon, you want to make it in the cup. This is what it is. I've gone through 3 of these through quarantine. Don't judge me. The Lord don't like when people judge. And like I said, quad shot means 4 shots. Kids, not 3, not 2, but 4 children. And this is a 2. So we going 1. That's 1, 2. Bloop, 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 bloop. 1, 2. Bloop, 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 bloop. I should have my phone on this cooking board. That's not sanitary, but we just gonna let that slide, okay? We're gonna let that slide. Don't get no lime juice at the store, because you're gonna make a margarita and then you're gonna get a headache, because it's all that processed sugar.
It's processed. Put it back.
Squeeze your own damn limes with one of these, okay? And then pour it into here. And this is simple syrup. All this is sugar, and then you pour hot water in the sugar, stir that shit up, put it in the bottle. Now we're gonna do a count of 3. 1, 2, 3, done. 1, 2, 3, done. And then you just pour that bitch into your muddled watermelon. Okay, there you go. Now this is an important part too, okay? You can't be lazy when you shake this shit up. You gotta shake it the fuck up, okay? You gotta shake it like Greens when he listening to NLE Chopper. You understand me? So you really gotta shake that shit. So I'm finna get in a stance. Get that shit going. Get that shit. I'm embarrassed. Let me see. Yeah, that looks smacking. It's a skull. You see that? It's a skull. A little thing. I don't know what the fuck this called. And we just gonna pour that margarita right into that Bruce Wayne glass. Look at that. As you can see, it's not just regular green. It's got some watermelon taste to it. That shit gonna hit different. You gotta get your mind right if you're gonna cook. If your mind is wrong, you liable to burn yourself, burn the house down, fall, cut yourself with a knife. You gotta get fucked up before you start cooking. God damn. Oh, that shit hitting. Ooh, that's gonna get me fucked up. God damn.